Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add email to your Roblox account. So if you want to add your email to the Roblox account, first of all you have to open up your Roblox application, and after opening your Roblox application, tap on the three dotted icon which is on the bottom right corner, and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, tap on account info. So after tapping on account info, here you can add your mobile number. After tapping on account info, here you can see you can add your phone number and email address. Just tap on add email and you can add your email. So after typing your email, tap on add email. So after tapping on add email, an email had been sent for verification. And now just open up your Gmail application. So after opening your Gmail application, you can see a email had been sent by ROBLOX to your email account. Just open that email and just verify your email by tapping on verify email. So after verifying that you have successfully added email to your Roblox account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.